Para siyang angel's burger. Sa unang kagat, tinapay lahat. My mascara is still on peak. Hey guys, today is Friday and it's 9 p.m. and I'm getting ready for work. It is going to be a long day for me because right after work, long day even if it's night because I work at night, so it's going to be technically a long day for me. So after work in the morning, I will have to go to the laundry and drop my dirty clothes there. After that, I'm going to go to the grocery, and then after grocery, I'm going to play tennis. Right now, I'm getting ready, and I'll just put on my makeup and be right back. I've actually been loving this product lately. This is the Rare Beauty mascara, and oh my god, it does really stay on. I've actually been playing tennis wearing this mascara, and oh my god, it is awesome. Like, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't budge, it doesn't transfer. It is really waterproof, guys. I'm so happy that I got this. I only got the travel kit, the small ones, so I'm planning to get full-size version of this. This I highly recommend. It is waterproof and super long lasting. So, I have a secret to tell. I actually do not comb my hair, and I just leave it as it is. I let it dry on its own, and I just use my fingers to brush any tangles. And I'm using this Kerastase Blonde Absolute. I bought this to protect my blonde hair, which has obviously grown. So now I still use it because I love using this. It contains hyaluronic acid and edelweiss flower. It also has cicaplazm, which provides heat protection for up to 230 degrees Celsius to protect your hair from heat styling tools. And since I'm playing tennis later, so it's gonna protect my hair from heat. And this also contains UV filters to protect against daily oxidation and pollution deposits. So I'm currently stuck here after dropping by the laundry. I'm stuck here because there is actually a parade happening right now. That's Nancy Binay. Ay, mali, Abby Binay pala. That's the current mayor. Okay, I think it's done. We've been stuck here for a few minutes now. I think we're going to move. Finally. having a lot of movement because I'm doing laterals. So I brought with me this cheese roll from French Baker. So let's have a bite before our actual training session. And this is not a keto bread, by the way. Let's try it. Besi niya kainan. At ang dami niyang sugar. Perfect for my energy later. Ay, actually good. And the tinapay is malambot. So, halfway na ako sa bread. Ngayon ko palang naramdaman yung cheese. Para siyang Angel's Burger. Sa unang kagat, tinapay lahat. Sa unang kagat, tinapay lahat. Nasa gitna pa yung cheese. Pero in fairness, masarap naman yung bread. Nakakapagod. That was my first lateral. And for the forehand, then next we're gonna do the backhand. Nakakapagod, guys. But it's fun. I feel it. Done with today's session. It's 12:30 and my mascara is still on fleek. I'm so happy, but I'm so tired.